Very good morning, students. We are moving to the last chapter of our civics, that is the lesson name. It is law and social justice. So we studied from first lesson onwards how it is forming and the what are the things it is there in our constitution, like that. And last we are reaching with what it is social justice, how the law or the rules and regulations giving or making social justice in the society we are going to think. So first let us go through the lesson overall, then we will come back to the word by word reading. So it is given the introduction. In textbook it is given the introduction. So before that it is there one small thing. Do you recall the story of a shirt what we studied in 7th standard? Are you remembering the story of a shirt? And we studied chain of markets, and it is starting from the cotton farm to the to reach the ordinary market, even reach to the consumer. Up to that stage we studied the same thing. If you are remembering, not remembering, once again take your 7th standard books, it is there at home. Just read the lesson A Story of Shirt. Okay, so in the chain what it is happening, they are purchasing the cotton from the farmer, and last it is reaching to the ordinary market or retail market, and we are purchasing. So in that lesson we checked like that, is there justice in the market or equality in the market, like that. We have seen there is no equality in the market. So to reach before the common market, there are many steps to reach there. For what we can say, farmer, if he is farming by himself, or farmer is taking the help of the workers, like that. Many stages are there when we are thinking about farm. Okay, so we can see there is a different stages from the worker to the producer, or a worker to the consumer, or from a farmer to consumer. There are many steps to reach there. Okay, next one we can see the table 1. It is given law. What are the laws are there? Why it is necessary? Who interested does the law protected? For whom the law is standing, like that. The rules and regulations, state government and central government rules and regulations, it is given. What is the necessity of that one? It is given. And for whom, or to whom the law is going to protect, that also we will see. Then again here it is given some of the pictures, like that. According to 2011 census, over 4 million children in India aged between 5 to 14 work in a various occupation, including hazardous one. The children, they are working not only in the tea shop, like that. Many hazardous difficult situation also working. And in the constitution it is very clearly said, all should, those who are under 14 years, they should get 6 to 14 years should get compulsory and free education. But it is not possible, like that. That is the situation. Then comes the Bhopal gas tragedy. It happened in 1984 on 2nd December in the midnight time. The one of the company, carbonate company, they unknowingly their gas leaked and many people died. Then what is a worker's worth? If like that, hundreds of people dying in a factory, and what is the worth, or how they are valued, their work, how it is valuing, that we will see in this chapter. Then enforcement of the safety laws in every company. When if you are going for a visit, we can see they will give some instruction how to make ourselves safe. So those who are working in the companies, they will give some instruction how they want to keep themselves safe or security, like that. The new laws to protect the environment. Because of the companies, factories, many environmental pollutions it is happening. So government is taking the initiative to protect the environment also. So in June 5th we celebrated Environment Day. That day we had some poster presentation, and that you can read with this one. Then what is the environment as a public facility? We studied about public facilities in the lesson. Even in 7th standard we have studied. Then 9th and 10th again you will study about the public facility. So what we the environment, it is a free to everyone, so it is should be a public facility. Then given some pictures and its explanation we can see, then come to the conclusion of the lesson. This is the major points of the lesson. So then in between you can see the sustainable developmental goal 1 2 3, like that. In between lessons it is given, not together, all together in one lesson. So what we are going to do, we are going to study this one lesson detail way. Before that, we will see a small video clip from here and there about the Bhopal tragedy, what it is.
40 tons of cyanide kept in the middle of a town. Leaks. Kills 10,000 people.
Read a goddamn report! I did my job. Welcome to Bhopal. Free guide. It's about jobs. India was open for business and I wanted carbide at the heart of the revolution.
An idealist and a chairman. It's a tough market to corner.
I'm not going to bullshit you. We're going through a very hard time and we have limited resources.
It's 3 fatalities now. I can't keep flying down here and smiling this thing off.
Thank God we've maintained a strong relationship with the local government.
A little grease for the cogs of democracy.
You want to write a real story? Union Carbide stores tons of poison in the heart of Bhopal.
So why did they choose Bhopal?
Cheap government land, subsidy, and electricity. They're all milking this cash cow together. Cheers.
One drop of your stuff killed her husband. Your factory is choking this town.
This factory feeds this town.
हमें कोई खतरा तो नहीं है.
तुम्हें अपनी नौकरी प्यारी है. Carbide, we are Union Carbide. United in our efforts to build a better future